I've been recording for an hour now, and I didn't keep anything recorded. I'm going to have to wash everything off and do it all over again. Okay, let's do another video! Happy birthday to you! Woohoo! Hello, lovely people of the internet. I am the Breathing Canvas, and today I'm celebrating everyone born in March. If you're born in March, you probably already know that your birthstone is Aquamarine, which I have symbolized on my face for you. Happy birthday and enjoy the video. Let's go. The inspiration for today is, of course, the Aquamarine stone, and Aquamarine, actually, I should be, in a little sciencey costume, because I had a cute little idea, because I wrote it down in script, because I actually wrote a script for once, to save time. What a concept, right? Saving time! When beryllium is combined with iron, it creates a blue-green or blue stone. In some of these stones, as the one I used for my reference, the crystals grow in a parallel formation and has colors of ombre going from a dark saturated green-blue to a light, almost white blue. Science! I'll drink to that. After drowning your sorrows and prepping your eyes with a primer, you're ready for some eyeshadow. With the eye makeup, I wanted to represent the sign for Pisces, which is two fish in a yin-yang position. So I'm placing the yellow on the right lid and on the lower left lash line, while the aquamarine blue will counter those, flipping the colors from left to right. So it's gonna be kind of like Romeo breaking in and drooling as he stalks his love, as Juliet Snapchats up on the balcony. The sun rises only when the moon sets. Two ends of batteries, negative and positive charge, pursuing each other, but all the while pushing each other away. Love is sad. Taking a light blue, you're going to fade that out into a wing on the top left lash line, and within the inner corner on the lower right. Now is time for the real magic. Shimmer! With the shimmery aqua blue eye crayon, go over the outer section of the wing on the left eye and into the crease, blending with your fingers. Back to the NYX Ultimate Eyeshadow Palette, take a darker blue and fade that color in a bit more on the left lid, so that the yellow that is on there is only a tiny pop of highlight. Back to one of the best cosmetic inventions in the universe. Apply blue shimmer on your lower right lash line, dragging that out beyond the outer corner, mimicking the left wing. With that same darker blue, go over the last section of the lower wing to darken it up a bit, creating an ombre from the inner to outer corner. And if you thought we were done with shimmer, you was wrong. Yes! Speckle the right lid with gold shimmer to give it a more realistic mineral resemblance. Because beryl produces different colors when introduced to various elements, it's not unusual for... It's the simple things, really. The simple things. It's not unusual for impurities to appear. However, I like it. The yellow complements the sea blue color very well, and, shimmer. Once again, following my reference, I'm going to have a light blue in the center and fade that out to a dark blue from the height of the skies to the depths of the seas. Too lovely, but together never shall be. I'm sad again. I have an idea. Will it work? Will it work? Will it work? Oh yeah! Using my applicator with the blue powder left over, dip that into a white powder and dab that within the part of your lips. Take a fresh dip into the pool and apply that blue to the rest of your lips. We need more shimmer. Line your lips with the crayon and once again, lightly blend that in with your finger.
More shimmer!
Like we did with the eyelid, dot that in the center. So I think we've seen Pisces represented pretty well in our March design, but Aries also shares in this birthstone, so I say we invite them to the party. With rhinestones? I'm using the Aries symbol as the inspiration for the placement. Starting from the tip of the nose, the sparkly horns grow up around the eyebrows and curl back on the cheekbones. To apply the rhinestones, you can use either spirit gum, petroleum jelly, oddly enough, but only if you're wearing them for a short time, or liquid latex, like what I'm doing today. What's frustrating about this is that the smaller the rhinestone, the harder to apply and more easily they fall out of the tweezers! The rhinestone fell from my tweezers. It's like part of my soul was being ripped away from me and just shattering to 1,000 pieces on the floor. And that concludes my Aquamarine inspired design for all of you lovely people born in March. Happy birthday! Thank you so much for watching this video. I hope you liked it. If you did, please let me know by clicking on that thumbs up button down below, because who doesn't like a little bit of affirmation? It's just a button. Boop, boop, boop. And if you want to show me support, let me know that you like my videos and watch them regularly. You can click that subscribe button. You can also click that little bell button, notifies you whenever my next video is going to be coming out. Thank you so much again. Happy birthday, and I will see all of you lovelies next time. Bye!